Hello everyone. Let's learn an input program to calculate factorial of a given number. What is the factorial? Factorial is the multiplication, the product of number in decreasing order. If the number is 5, then the factorial will be what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 up to 1. From the number in decreasing order till the multiplication will be done up to 1. Okay, so let's do how can we do this. For doing this we need a loop. We can use for loop also, we can use while loop also. So let's start the program. For this I will take an old program. From that I can get most of the code for this program. Okay, so let's open an old program. Then after I will make few changes there, such as the creation of variables. Okay, so how many variables are required for it? Let's see that. One we need for counter for running the loop. Okay, one for the number to take input and one for the calculating the factorial. Okay, the initial value for the factorial we are giving here 1. Let's make some changes here. Let's write here enter a number. When the user gives the number, that we will accept and we will store it. Then the next two lines I will erase it because that is not required. Okay, then after what we have to do, we have to run a loop. Okay, so let's see how to do that. The loop will be run up to the 1, from the number to up to 1. Okay, so what we are going to write here, while n is greater or equal to 1. It means that the loop will start. Suppose if the number is entered 6, then loop will run from 6 to 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Then after let's do calculation. Factorial is equal to factorial into n. Factorial, what is the initial value we have given? 1. So 1 into, if it is 6, then it will be 1 into 6. Okay, after that, okay, there are some old codes. Let's erase it all. We need to remove these codes, not required. Then after the factorial calculation, we need to decrease the value. As you know that factorial calculation is done by decreasing order. The numbers gets decreased by 1 and then the product is calculated. So n minus minus means every time the value of n will be decreased. Okay, in this way it will run up to 1. From the number up to 1 it will be the loop will run, and then we will get at the last, when the loop terminates, we will get the factorial of the number. Now in the system.out.print, to display this we will write here factorial of. Factorial of what? The number input by user. So the number input by user is what? That is n. We will write here concatenation operator, that is plus, then the number which is stored in the variable n. Then after we will put plus sign, the concatenation sign, then equal to, and then the factorial. What is the factorial? Where the factorial is stored? The factorial is stored in the variable f. Okay, so in this way we have calculated. We need to remove these two lines, not required at all. So we will delete these lines. Okay, then we will see how many curly braces has to be closed. While loop is already closed, so we need to close 2 times more, one for main function and one for the class. Okay, so after the removal of these lines, we need to close the curly braces, which is already present there. Okay, so we have completed this. Now what we have to do, we have to save our program. So let's save the program. As let's change the class name, which is old. The old name was swap, so we will write here fact. The name of the class we will put fact here. Now let's go to file and save. Let's write there fact.java. .java, the extension has to be written. Then click on save button. In this way we will get our program saved. Now let's go to command prompt. As our program is saved in F drive, let's write F colon, press enter key. Then you will be in F drive. Write cd space the name of the folder, that is Java programs. When you write Java programs and when you press enter key, you will be directly there in the Java program folder. Write Java C and space fact.java, the name of the program. The program is successfully compiled. After the compilation of program, type java space the name of the program. As you can see that the message has come, enter a number. We have entered a number 5 and the factorial of the 5 is 120. Okay, so let's execute the program once again and let's give another value. Let's execute java fact. Okay, so when we run it, we get another message, enter a number to get factorial. Okay, let's enter 10. When we enter 10, you can see the factorial of 10 is given there. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notification.